Hello friends, I am MK Gilan. We are going to discuss imperfection in solid. According to law of nature, nothing is to be perfect, and so crystals need not be perfect. So they always found to have some defects in the arrangement of constituent particles. These defects affect the physical and chemical properties of the solid. So let us discuss what is point defect. Point defect is classified into three types. One is stoichiometric, another one is non-stoichiometric defect, and last one is impurity defect. Stoichiometric defect is again divided into two types. One is Schottky, another one is Frenkel. Then non-stoichiometric defect is also divided into two types. One is metal excess defect, another one is metal deficiency defect. Okay friends, let us discuss about Schottky defect. Schottky defect arises due to the missing of equal number of cations and anions in a crystal lattice. In this crystal lattice, one cation and one anion are missing here. Next, the stoichiometry of the crystal never changes because the missing of a cation and the missing of anion are equal. Then the size of the cation and anion are almost similar. Example, if we take NaCl, the size of the cations are almost equal in size. Next, presence of large number of Schottky defects in a crystal lowers its density. If we take the example, the theoretical density of vanadium monoxide is 6.5 gram per centimeter cube, and the experimental density of vanadium monoxide is 5.6 gram per centimeter cube. So okay, next we move to Frenkel defect. Now Frenkel defect arises due to the dislocation of ion from its lattice position. If you see the crystal, the Ag plus ion is dislocate here and occupies the interstitial position. So ions present in this type of defect is almost differ in the size. So if we see the crystal, the cations and the anions are differ in the size. Frenkel defect does not affect the density of the crystal and does not affect the stoichiometry of the crystal. So the number of cations and number of anions are equal, so it does not affect the stoichiometry. Thank you.